You are alive. That's obvious. You're breathing, you're thinking, you're watching this video. But here's the problem. You are made entirely of atoms, and not a single atom inside your body is alive. Carbon is not alive. Oxygen is not alive. Hydrogen is not alive. These are dead elements, completely lifeless chunks of matter. And yet somehow, when you put enough of them together in the right arrangement, they woke up. They started breathing. They started thinking. They started asking what they are. You are dead matter that forgot it was dead. Your body contains roughly 7 octillion atoms. That's a 7 followed by 27 zeros. Every single one of them is as lifeless as a grain of sand. Take one out. Look at it. It's just a particle. It doesn't breathe. It doesn't think. It has no awareness, no purpose, no life. Put it back. Still nothing special about it. But here's what nobody can explain. A single carbon atom is dead. A pile of carbon is dead. But carbon arranged into DNA inside a cell is alive. Where did the line get crossed? When exactly did dead become alive? Nobody knows. Not a single scientist in the history of our species has been able to point to the exact moment when chemistry becomes biology. It remains one of the biggest unsolved problems in all of science, and it gets stranger. In the 1950s, a nuclear physicist named Paul Aebersold at Oak Ridge National Laboratory tracked radioactive atoms through human bodies and discovered something remarkable. Your body replaces 98% of all its atoms every single year. The calcium in your bones right now was not in your bones a year ago. The carbon in your muscles was somewhere else entirely 6 months ago. The water in your blood was replaced just 16 days ago. That means almost nothing physically inside you right now was there 1 year ago. You are not the same collection of atoms you were last year, or the year before, or the year before that. Now think about where those atoms came from before they were you. The hydrogen in your body is 13.7 billion years old. It was created minutes after the Big Bang, before stars, before planets, before anything existed. It drifted through space for billions of years before ending up inside you. The carbon in your DNA was forged inside a dying star. That star exploded. The carbon scattered across space, landed on Earth, cycled through oceans and soil and plants and animals for millions of years, and is now sitting inside your cells, reading this sentence. Some of your atoms were once part of a tree. Some were part of the ocean. Some were inside a dinosaur. Some were inside other people. Your atoms don't belong to you. They never did. They're just passing through. So if none of your atoms are alive, and none of your atoms are permanent, then what exactly are you? You're not a thing. You're a pattern. Think of a wave in the ocean. A wave moves across the water, and it looks like something. It has a shape, a speed, a direction. But the wave is not made of a fixed set of water molecules. The water stays roughly in place. What moves is the pattern. The wave is just a shape that the water is temporarily making. You are not your atoms. You are what your atoms are doing. Right now, 7 octillion lifeless atoms are arranged inside your body in a pattern so precise that it breathes, thinks, feels, remembers, and wonders about itself. Not one of those atoms is alive. Not one of them knows it's part of you. Not one of them will stay. And yet here you are. A temporary arrangement of ancient stardust that somehow learned to ask the question,